Good morning. Oh, I need to put up. Good morning. Good morning. Where is the. Disclaimer. So I'm going to start putting this up on the call every morning. Just take a little glance. Read through. If you want to access this, it's on my website, boldanalysis.com/disclaimer. All right. I gotta share this. Oh, I'm glad most of you are already on, so that must mean that you guys follow me, because if y'all don't follow me, then you get a notification. ZB was green $125. Now it's red $125. Look at that in a minute. Also, ES Conservative is in a long. I'm going to go live on TikTok in a moment. Alright, so, disclaimer, obviously, this is very risky, and, Alright, anyway, this is the ES Conservative. It's at break even right now. ZB's in the back. Also, what was the other thing? Oh, scalper. Did I open? Oh, I think I was about to open the other chart and then she kicked me out. I'm going to add Santa on here since Jen is away this week. I figured I would run it so you guys could kind of see it a little bit. I'm going to move it over here so I can actually put the strategy on it without it being like in the middle of everything. Alright, scalper. I tried to load this program or whatever, but it wasn't working, so I need to remove that. I keep forgetting. It's like at the top there. Santa. And we're really coming into the time last year when Santa was killing it, NQ Pink was killing it, the blues were killing it, like all of the scalper setups. So I'm really excited to get back into this Q3, Q4 time of the year. Like, they do okay elsewise, like, especially Santa does really, really well during, like, FOMC, very high volatile reports. But other than that, it's kind of just, like, not worth it. So, good morning, good morning. Oh, look at all the good mornings in the chat. Y'all are so sweet. Remember, trading is risky. Make sure you know what you're doing. If you want more information, though, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's in the bottom here. So this is ZB. It got in the short here at 119.13. And it's kind of just been bouncing around. It was green $125, but it did not get to target yesterday. Today. Yesterday, ZB did get to target, and it made like $218. Whatever that was yesterday. On Tuesday, that was here. Today is Wednesday, September 6th. Yes. And we go live every day. So if you're new here, make sure you hit that follow button. Hang out for a bit. Oh, what a surprise. That's like the weekly level too. I might get rid of this now. It might be okay. Do we think? Or do we think that's not a good idea? All right, market's open. Let's see. I'm going to go live on the TikTok if you want to also jump over there. My name's Lauren. We go live twice a day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, showing you the futures market. ZB is in the short and ES is in a long. That is what we have going on here. Hi, good morning. Again, it's September 6th. Good morning, good morning. We are bouncing in this area, something I talked about on the student call. I have Santa here. I should probably put the picture of Santa. I have to find it, I feel like. Well, it's probably in the same area, I guess. Oh, here we go. Santa. My Santa on his sled. I don't want to think about Christmas coming up, but I guess it's something we might have to keep in mind. I also have this scalper turned on just to see if it takes any trades today. Oh, gosh. You guys are, like, so off-center. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Currently just keeping an eye on this manual chart. Also, ZB is in a short. It's red, $62. Yesterday we had some really great trades on the live stream. Then we had a loss on NQ, and that was on the live stream too yesterday. And then NQ later had a win. If you're in the group, obviously you know. So that helped a bit. Some people obviously were still a bit red on the day. That happens. Coming back from a holiday can really be kind of funky with the market. Because, again, it has all those days it has to, like, swallow up and spit out and kind of figure out what's going on. The only trade that took overnight was Bold Zones on NQ night. It was, let me tell you when it was. Oh, it was early in the night because I was still awake. Here it is. It was along here at 1925 at 15,520. So, nice little move there. I'm not running pink. I'm just running Santa, and then I'm running the scalper that I'm testing, which didn't take any trades yesterday because it's a short-only play. And so, yeah. Is my volume on? Because, yes, I want to make sure it is so I can hear everything. Hi, Jonathan. Good morning. Hi, William. Good morning. Hi, everyone on YouTube. Good morning. Please give a thumbs up. YM's in a short, and YM hit both targets, Mike King is saying in the YouTube chat. Nice, Mike King. I love to see it. Make sure you share the link. If somebody could share this link in the group. I don't know if Laura's on here or Jen. I think Jen is just living life. She is busy. She is busy on vacation, okay? She's like, I do not have time for this. For the live streams. Morning, everyone. I hope everyone has a great day and even a better trading day. Thank you, Brett. That is so nice. Same to you. Same to you. So ZB is in that short. Let's pull that back up. I was kind of trying to see if any of the scalpers were going to take a run. This looks really grainy on my phone. I'm not sure why. That looks like so bad. Maybe I have to zoom you guys in a little more. Yeah. ZB ES is in a long on the conservative. I'm gonna get Terrence like making a stink. This is on just my regular manual chart. Talked about this in the student corner, which we have a live student call every single day from 8:45 to 9:15. If you want more information on the mentorship or the auto trading algorithm, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We go live twice a day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, which is this session, and then 2 to 3 p.m., which will be later this afternoon. However, 2 to 3 p.m., I actually have a student call, and Jen usually goes live in the afternoon, and she is not around this week. She is on vacation.
Order submitted.
Ooh, everything is in a short right now. NQ, ES, NQ are all in shorts. Let's pull some of those up. Down here on ES is in a short. NQ early is in a short. Listen,
target filled.
Yeah, I was going to say, I like when we get the target filled like right away. Did RTY get a short too? RTY took a short as well. RTY is the one that hit target. RTY actually took a long. It's pulling back now. So that's out of that trade. NQ early is still in this short, and ES early is still in the short. Let's see if we can get this target here on NQ early.
Target filled.
Target filled. I'm not sure why this is so glary. So this NQ just made me $100. The ES made me $300, and RTY made $125. So that works. Up $612 on the day so far. Good morning. That's all fully automated. I did not get myself in those trades. My auto trading algorithm did. It got me in the trades. It gets me out of the trades. We need some eggs in the chat. We need some green apples in the chat. We need some oranges in the chat. ES early, 1 for 1. NQ early, 1 for 1. RTY range, 1 for 1. Where are all the fruits? I need some eggs in the chat. Where's Mike? I need some eggs in the chat. I need some oranges and green apples. We're still in the ZB short. Let's go back to the regular chart, see what's happening here. And that's the thing. I usually don't even like to watch the algorithms. I just kind of let them do their thing. There we go. Tony Lopez is on it. Also, Apex is still doing an 80% sale. Sorry that I forget to talk about this so much. The sale ends on Tuesday. You can use a funded account to trade my algorithms or to manually trade if you want to be a student of mine and then manually trade with an Apex account. You can do either. If you go to apextraderfunding.com and you go to sign up, then they have the countdown here at the top, 6 days left. Use the coupon code SAVE80 when you go to checkout. So if you clicked on this 50K full account and then you put in the coupon code down here, it's SAVE80. SAVE80. And you do have to check out each account individually, which is quite annoying. Hopefully they'll change that sometime in the future, but you are allowed to have up to 20 funded accounts at one time. So 20 PA accounts. You could even have 30 accounts total. Like you could have 20 PA accounts and then 10 evaluation accounts, which is super cool because if you compare Apex to other prop firms, meaning companies that give you cash to trade with, they are the best because other ones only allow you to have 3 accounts. Like take Profit Trader, like they seem cool or whatever, but you can only have 3 accounts total. I think Lilu, you can maybe only have 3. I don't know, but Santa, gold, and silver are both in longs, green 200. Nice. No trades on my scalpers yet. So if you have an interest in using Apex's money instead of your own, you can do that for both the algorithm and manually trading, or just manually trading, or just the algorithm. If you want more information about that, you can email me. It's all in the informational email that I will send you, telling
Order
you
submitted.
about RTY is in another trade here. It's in a long. Again, today is Tuesday.
Target
Wednesday.
filled.
Today's Wednesday. Target filled already. Wednesday, September 6th. 2 for 2 on RTY, and then 1 for 1 on NQ, and 1 for 1 on ES. So I am 5 for 5 on the day because I also had an NQ trade overnight. And I am green $750. Very nice. And it is 9:39. Listen, I'm going to start implementing a done at by 9:40 setup because every day we get on here, honestly, so many trades can happen by 9:40 and I could easily make $500, $600, $1,000 by 9:40. And, you know, that's not like a plug. Like, you know, there's obviously risk involved, whatever. But whenever I do my live streams and I tell you guys, oh, we just hit target, and then I look at my total and I look at the time because it's in the corner of my computer, how am I making, you know, $1,000 by 9:40 a.m.? I could just be done. I could just be like, okay, bye. You know, like, I'm going to go ahead and sign off and just made freaking so much money by doing nothing. Now, obviously, it's all about statistics and allowing potentially the play to play out again. And with the win rates that we have, it's just smarter to do that. But it is nice to be like, oh, I could just be done right now and have made my $750. Yeah, if you trade after 10 a.m., it's pointless. Well, for sure, manually. But, you know, NQ range in the afternoon, statistically, with past performance,
Order submitted.
it's like 99%. One of the scalpers is in a long. Let's check that out. It must be Santa. It is Santa. Let me put this chart trader on. So again, this is in simulation. I am not running Santa live, but it is fun to watch. How many minis are you taking? So Charlie, on RTY, I take 5, and on ES, I take 5, which is pretty high risk, but I'm comfortable with it. And so, yeah, But then on NQ, I only take 1 or 2. I think I only take 1. In the afternoon on NQ, I take 2. On early, but I think early, I also had it to 2. Guaranteed green on this long now.
Order filled.
I had it on 2, but because I think I was updating something in the spreadsheet this weekend. Because I was updating something in the spreadsheet this weekend, I think I forgot to put it back to 2 and I only had it at 1. Because then I would be up another $100. So I would be green 850 if I had my NQ set up the way that I typically do. I hope that helps, Charlie. I'm blooping people's results over here. William just posted, Tim posted, Michael posted. If you're in the group, go to the results channel, show some love to our fellow members. If you want more information on the algorithm, just email me, BoldBot. This is not a pair. I trade futures, so this is the NASDAQ on the futures market, which is NQ. You would probably know it as NAS 100, but this is NQ because it's on the futures market.
Order submitted.
Scalper is now in a short. So it took that long, and it made, and this is on Santa, and it made $75. The risk on this is $200 per trade. It only trades for about 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day maybe. But it does take a good amount of trades. So at any point in time, you could turn this off and just be like, and just turn it off and take what it kind of gave you as far as the scalper.
Order filled.
This is my program. This is on NinjaTrader, so I'm using NinjaTrader, but the algorithms are mine. So
Order
NinjaTrader.
submitted.
Oh, ZB is about to hit target. ZB. And this was read like $125 a minute ago. So it took this short here. It went down, it went up, and now this is the target. Do you see that? Where do I send my student payment? It's time. Let's go, William. Reach out to Amy. She'll give you the options. Let's go. You do Zelle? Zelle is better. Just Zelle me. You have Zelle, William? It's better than PayPal. PayPal's just like, bleh, because they freaking take like 5% or whatever it is. ZB, I just saw it and it said $218. So, and that's the target, but you can see it didn't get filled. This is called really just part of trading. Just because you get to your target doesn't mean it's always going to fill immediately, because for me to get out of this, I have to have someone. I want a long, so someone has to be willing to take that long from me. Yes. Andon, I'm so excited. You'll be right behind him. This is very similar to yesterday with those crappy sideways candles. Scalpers in trade. ES, remember, ES conservative is in this long. Oh, ES bold zones early is in a trade too. ES zones is in this long. Hold on, let me put this on the zones account because I don't have this on my account, so you guys can see this. Let's go. I can't wait. I can't wait until you join the morning calls. You are going to just like flip your shit. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. I can't wait. So this is a long on ES. It's 9:45 on September 6th. Whoo, hoo, hoo. Let's go ES. This is the ES early
target filled. Order filled.
Look at that hit. All right. Also, ES conservative, we can pull that back over on the line. That is now back to even. Do you see how it pulled back? Facts. Morning calls are always on point. They really are. No games to be played.
Order submitted.
And it's $1 million by 2024. Listen, we're gonna get that, all right? Ooh, wait, one of my other scalpers, the testing scalpers in a short. Oh, I really like this one. I wonder if I should be shorting this along with it. I really like this short. So it's short at 15,496. Y'all, this hasn't taken a trade all week, but it's only a Tuesday, Thursday play. So, and today's Wednesday. But to me, it feels like a Tuesday since the market was closed on Monday. Maybe that's why. It's $500 for the first 21 days as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. We go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, Apex is doing an 80% sale, so if you want to be part of that Apex 80% off, it's until Tuesday. Guaranteed green on this short now. If it comes back and hits this, it will exit the trade. Oh, yeah. All right, 235 on the short. How much is average net profit? What's 1,000 M? Lauren's always making money. Yeah, if you want more information, just email me. I don't know what 1,000 M. How much is it average net profit? So it depends which strategy you're talking about. I probably at this point now have like 80, maybe like 70 strategies. Oh, right. So we have a bunch of strategies that essentially we just stack. So far today, I can show you the trades. Once this trade is done, I'll show you the trades that I've already had today. This is on simulation because I'm testing this and it should be only be ran on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But I'm thinking it's working today because there was a holiday on Monday, and so today's kind of like a Tuesday. I don't know. Maybe I'm just saying that because I'm being results oriented. Call rocks. I work from the day 2 weeks. I can't manually trade on those days. Oh, thanks, Big Bussa. I appreciate it. But this is a really nice trade here, so I just want to keep it on the screen, watch it for a second, and then I'll show you the other trades. I can say it out loud, and then I'll show you on the chart, but RTY range took 2 trades this morning, so I'm green $250 on RTY. NQ early range took 1 trade. It took a short, and I made $75. Or $90. ES early took 1 trade and I made $300. And then NQ overnight took 1 trade and I made $100. So I can show you some of the past performances. Obviously, keep in mind, past performances are not always indicative of future results, but
order filled.
I can show it to you and then you can see this is green 400 on, this is on 1 mini. You can see the sizing here on the chart. I only got 1 RTY. So I don't know. It could be a little different based off of the micro versus the mini Andin. I'll show you my RTY chart in a second and you can see it.
Order submitted.
This is a trail stop here. I know you can't see it, but it's just this thin red line. If it changes to green, it will take me out of this trade. Hi, can it work on a phone? It can work on a phone
Target
if you
filled.
have VPS. Target filled on... Oh, NQ early's in another trade. But target filled on something else. Oh, shit. RTY is now 3 for 3. 3 for 3 on RTY. They go a little lower here on my range. What type of trail stop is it? Super trend? No, I know it looks like that, but it's not super trend. It's something else, but I have had people ask that before. For sure. 862. I gotta be careful. I feel like I always show my account information here. So
Order filled.
it didn't stop it there. So it stopped it there. I'll show you these other trades like I was talking about. So RTY is now 3 for 3. This is RTY on range. 3 for 3. Long here, long here, long here. 1, 2, 3. Adnan, let me know what that's looking like for you. Interesting about MQ. Didn't I say I could just stop this? Oh, we're back to the chop zone here too. So we'll see. Eggs better not be due me early. Do me again today on the early. Did I just say a minute ago? I'm like, oh, I can turn this off. Okay, so sorry. Focusing back. ES early took 1 trade short here. NQ early.
Order submitted.
NQ early took 1 short here, and now is in another short, but it's not looking as well. We'll see if it can pull back down because it is at the chop zone. But after this candle closes, it's going to close it anyway, which is exactly what it did yesterday. See, these large sideways candles are just not good. I talked about this on the student call today. I literally talked about this on the student call. This is like deja vu for yesterday because if you look on the daily, these doji candles next to each other are just atrocious. So yeah. And then NQ night zones. I had this over here somewhere. That's one. But yeah, so RTY, ES, and NQ, and then ZB, did it ever hit? No, ZB is still in this short. It's green. It's just at break even. It's at break even. We need to get back down below the blue box before 955. Yeah. We need to move back down. That's the point here. And then where did my scalper go? Oh, scalper's in a long here for like $45. This is Santa. If you see Santa on there, that's Santa. If you want more information, just email me. I'm wondering if... This is so tough. It just needs to come back down. We just need to come back down to 495. This is such deja vu for yesterday. Which is why I said 9:39, let me just be done. I don't know. Also, there's a report at 10 o'clock. There was a report at 9:45, and there's a report at 10 o'clock. So maybe if we get a nice negative report. No, but if we're over the blue box, it's going to take it anyway. That's the thing. If we're over that, it's going to swap it. So, I don't know. It's sticky. It's sticky here. Brett, yes, I'm sure I did. If you have any other questions, you can always email me back, but Amy would have sent you the informational email. So just let me know if for some reason you didn't get it. Feel free to email us again and we can send it back over. Here we go. We need to get back under 95. Here we go. Back under 95. That's what we'd like to see. No, back under 95, NQ. Is that where that was? We have like one more minute. NQ. Yeah, okay. That's better. That's better. Let's go back under 95. There we go. Back, back, back. Down, down, down. I really hope people aren't like taking themselves out of this. Nice, Andon. Very nice. That's actually really funny. One of my members said something hilarious. Hilarious. All right, so still in this NQ early short. What am I watching? Hi, hero. This is a fully automated algorithm that I built. I actually have several of them. What I do? No. I thought your post was good. I was laughing at something else. I was laughing at something else. Let's get back below this 90. Where's my magic mic? Where's my magic mic? Remember, there is a report at 10 a.m. So You know, there is a report at 10 a.m. Oh, gold? Gold is in a long. Gold is in a long. All right, we have 4 minutes until this big report comes out. Interested to see because we have some alternating positions here. We have NQ in a short. We have ES in a long. Come on, NQ. Let's drop just a little more before 10 o'clock. And then if you want to run it up on the report, I'm fine with that. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Also, I'm in this gold long. Low green day, all good. Slow and steady. Didn't want to play. GC didn't want to play today. No, GC did want to play. GC is playing right now. GC is in the play. GC is green. I'm going to put it on my live account so you guys can see this. GC is playing. Where I need K Lavender to get back in. I'm in gold. I thought I turned it off. Well, you shouldn't be turning anything off. That's the whole thing. Like, gold is, I think gold might run up in this report. We'll have to see. But again, y'all, oh, let's go early. Let's go early. Let's go early. Still in draft, sending it now. Oh, Brett, come on, come on, come on, come on. What? Let's go early. Let's go early. I need to, because see, I did this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 80? I was like adding and then I kind of messed with that, but go figure. I almost told you to check drafts. That's really funny. All right, let's see if this gold can push back up. Remember, there is a high impact report in 2 minutes. 2 minutos. So, you know, let me remind people. No, Akin, you're wrong. Gold is right $180. I also have 2 contracts on this, but I'm interested to see with this report if it's going to run it up. 30 seconds until this report comes out. So we will see. Again, this is gold on the futures market. My name's Lauren. It is 9:59 on September 6th. There's a report, I think it's the ISM. Oh no. Well, that didn't work out. As long as I'm not in it. Damn it. Damn it. Well, look at slippage. Did I talk? Well, NQ worked out. Gold did not. Well, that's the whole thing. That's why we tell you guys when there's high impact reports. Look, I'll show you right here. We do it every day the night before. If you don't want it to be on during the high impact report, you don't have to. But like yesterday, it ran up so good during the report. This is what we post. There was an 8:30, a 9:45, and a 10 a.m. high impact report. But everyone would have hit their NQ early. Every strategy I'm running is green today, Blue West said. Awesome. NQ is taking... No, Robinson, it went to Target. So NQ early, 2 for 2. The only loss now that I had on the day is gold. So, and I had like a few $100s of slippage. It happens. It happens. Target filled, an NQ. Good job, Will. Proud of you. I'm going to repost that video because clearly Akin and Austin haven't watched it. I'm putting it in the chat. It happens. Santa Silver got it. Santa Silver's on a $400 short. Am I in any other trades? No, ES Conservative had the loss. ES Early had the win. Scalper, the one scalper only had the one trade. Santa had a loss after that. Look at this. The report was no bueno. And we were at the chop zone. Do you see this? This is the chop zone for my students. Hit there and dropped. Damn it, because of the news report. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Nice, nice, nice. But Adnan, you're running micros, or Andon, you're running micros, so it really shouldn't even matter. What is a micro loss going to be, like $20? You know what I'm saying? Like, so if that were me, I would definitely not be touching it. Now, minis, that makes more sense. Not micros. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, Lavender. See you all tomorrow. Nice, nice, nice. Congrats on the win. I'm just blooping people in the live stream. I mean, in the results channel in the group. Cheers, cheers, cheers. So, RTY, 3 for 3. ES, 1 for 1. Right? ES didn't take a second trade. Yeah, no. ES just 1 for 1. And Q Night 1 for 1, and Q Early Eggs 2 for 2. Like wild. Wild. 2 for 2. I don't know why it's still showing in here. I need to just update this. Am I not? Oh, I'm on ES Early. That's why. Can't run a P account a minute before the minute. Oh, well, you can, but right, not super high impact, correct. But you can in most of them. I think really it's more, but you are right. And this was probably one that they would be mad about. So that's very smart. Sometimes I forget about that. Sometimes. Makes sense. Huge move here. All right. It's 10:04. This was the play. This was the short today. Let's go through the student. Where are all the students? It's like so quiet in this student corner lately. 470. This was the short right here for my students. 470. Let me show you. 470. This was the short. 470 is now at 400. 70 points. 70 points. Tim, you posted in the wrong area. Well, that makes sense too. Reggie made $2,200. Nice job, Reggie. had to walk away for a bit. Gold came off like prison pants. Looks like bad news to the rescue. Excellent. My phone got triggered by that. Was a long time. I got my happy, so I was a win. Nice, Gregory. Very nice. Very nice. What's the TP on NQ, please? We already hit it. The TP was 407, 420, something like that. It already hit. TP already hit. It was a 70-point drop. And it was called this morning in the student call. If you are not a student of mine, what are you doing? No, NQ early. GC was the only, gold was the only loss today, Kevin. So NQ early, 2 for 2. ES early, 1 for 1. RTY range, 3 for 3. GC range, 0 for 1. Day 13 on 2 PAs, a swag. Nice job, Kyle. Made $855. Look at Faye, $240 across all of her accounts. Very nice. Good morning. Hi, PHM. How are you? I feel like it's been a while since we've seen you. Hi, Danny. Danny, did you get this short? All right, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to take a nice early morning and go enjoy my day. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Again, there will be no afternoon live stream. No afternoon live stream. Some results from my members today. Very nice. Danny, look at all that. Kyle, manually trading, one of my students. Tim, so I know I said the day was done, but then the student call play was fired, so I had to jump in on a few accounts. Lauren is an excellent teacher. Aw, that's so sweet. Now I'm done. $1,400 on all of his accounts. Very nice. All right, have a great day. Thanks for joining. If you want more information, as always, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. And I'll be live again tomorrow. I'm not sure why we're posting pictures in the student channel. Yeah, and I've got to delete this one too. We will be live again tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I think I'm going the wrong mouse. I was checking it right now. I have to wait another day. All right, have a good one. Thanks for joining. Bye. All right, YouTube. I hope you have a good day. Thanks for joining.